Introducing the storage rack container, the unsung hero of home organization that turns chaos into order with style. This isn't just any storage solution. It's your ticket to a clutter-free haven, a sanctuary for neatly arranged belongings. Say farewell to the days of rummaging through piles of stuff and welcome the storage rack container into your life, because tidiness deserves a standing ovation. This storage marvel is not just a container, it's a superhero in disguise. With multiple shelves and compartments, it swoops in to rescue your living space from the tyranny of disarray. Bid farewell to the days when finding your favorite sweater felt like an archaeological dig. The storage rack container is here to save the day, one neatly stacked item at a time. But wait, there's more. This container doesn't just organize. It elevates your space aesthetically. It's like having a mini art installation dedicated to orderliness. The sleek design and carefully thought out compartments aren't just functional, they're a visual feast for the eyes. Your storage area is no longer a forgotten corner. It's a curated display of your organized brilliance. And fear not, for assembly is a breeze. No need to channel your inner DIY expert or decipher cryptic instructions. The storage rack container comes with user-friendly assembly, so you can enjoy the benefits of order without the headache of construction. It's like adult Lego, simple, satisfying, and without the risk of stepping on a painful surprise. Now, let's talk versatility. This container doesn't discriminate. Whether it's your overflowing book collection, a rainbow of shoes, or a battalion of kitchen essentials, this rack has got you covered. It adapts to your needs, transforming into a customized storage haven for whatever your heart desires. It's not just storage, it's storage on your terms. But here's the kicker. The storage rack container isn't just for utility, it's for showcasing your organizational prowess. Picture this: guests marveling at your pristine living space, secretly wondering how you've achieved such order. Little do they know, it's all thanks to your trusty storage companion. You're not just organized, you're a domestic magician. In summation, the storage rack container is not just a piece of furniture, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's for those who believe that chaos is the enemy and order is the ultimate victory. So embrace the organized revolution and let the storage rack container